Question number 4. Diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect in point Q if 2QA equal to QC, 2QB equal to QD, then prove that DC equal to 2AB. Here not trapezium given, only any quadrilateral ABCD. So I draw this type of, because AB is small, CD is larger, because we have to prove that DC equal to 2AB and QA equal to QA equal to QC. So QA is small, QC is greater. Again 2QB equal to QD. So I draw this type of figure. It is not trapezium. Means AB is not parallel CD. That is not given. I take some example of that type exercise. There is trapezium given. So I take this alternate angle. But here not alternate angle because this is not parallel to this. Only given in quadrilateral ABCD. Diagonal AC and BD intersect each other in point Q. 2QA equal to QC, 2QB equal to QD. That is given. To prove DC equal to 2AB. So these two triangles are similar by SA test. So that by triangle SA test we can prove that these two triangles similar by SA test. So prove 2QA equal to QC. That is given. Therefore, QA upon QC, these two divide there. So QA upon QC equal to 1/2. Equation 1. Also, 2QB equal to QD. That is given. So QB upon QD equal to 1/2. Equation 2nd from 1 and 2. These two sides equal to 1/2. So these two are equal. So Q from 1 and 2, QA upon QC equal to QB upon QD. Equation 3. Then take these two triangles. In triangle QAB, if you start from Q, then start from QCD. So in triangle QAB and triangle QCD, QA upon QC equal to QB upon QD. From third, angle AQB congruent angle CQD. These two angles are congruent. We said that when two lines are intersect, this is called as vertically opposite angle. So in bracket, vertically opposite angles. Therefore, two sides are in proportion and their included angles are congruent. Therefore, two triangles are similar by test of similarity. Therefore, triangle QAB similar triangle QCD. In bracket, test of similarity. Two sides are in proportion and included angles are congruent. So QA test of similarity. Then take the two sides are in proportion. One QA upon QC and one we want AB and CD. So AB upon CD. Corresponding sides of similar triangles. But QA upon QC given. QA upon QC equal to 1/2. Put value of QA upon QC 1/2 equal to AB upon CD. In bracket from 1. Then cross multiplication. 1 into CD and 2 into AB. Therefore CD equal to 2AB. So we have to show that this length of CD is 2 times of AB. So CD equal to 2AB. Hence the proof. Question number 5. Ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles is 2:5 if the area of the smaller triangle is 64 square centimeter. Find the area of the bigger triangle. So consider that area. Let A1 and A2 capital be the area of the smaller triangle and bigger triangle respectively. S1 and S2 be their corresponding sides. Means S1 is the side of smaller triangle, S2 is the side of larger triangle, means bigger triangle. Given that, what is given? Ratio of sides means S1 upon S2 equal to 2 upon 5 and area of smaller triangle given 64. So A1 equal to 64. Then since the two triangles are similar, we can prove the theorem. What that theorem? ratio of areas of two similar triangles are is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. So by theorem of areas of similar triangles, a1 upon a2 equal to s1 square upon s2 square, means s1 upon s2 bracket square. Then put value. A1 given 64, a2 we have to find s1 upon s2 2 upon 5 square. So 64 upon a2 equal to 2 upon 5 square, 4 upon 25. Again cross multiplication. 64 into 25 equal to 4 into a2. 4 divide here. 64 into 25 upon 4. 64 divided by 4. 16. So 16 into 25, 400. So a2 equal to 400. So answer, area of bigger triangle is 400 square centimeter. So unit is square centimeter.